Basically, I woke up with a fat at around like 11 or so. The time is now 2 o'clock. Yeah, it's about 2 o'clock now, or half 1. So you got a few snaps there and that. But yeah, me and Bamber are gonna go shopping. Yeah, so Bamber, say hello.
Why can't we just have as nice much as Greece?
That's the real thing, isn't it? I've never smelt such good cheese in my life, I'm not gonna lie. We need to get some tzatziki and Doritos. You know what I want? Doritos and tzatziki. Obviously, Bamber, you know about the wave. You know about the wave. I'm not gonna...
It's gonna be with yogurt. It's gonna be like these pots.
Hello, sir.
Do you have tzatziki?
Of course, yes.
Tzatziki?
Yeah, of course.
Tzatziki.
Alright, what juice am I getting? Oh, wait. Oh, yes, this is good.
Orange
And carrots, yeah. Oh, wait, nah, this one. This is the one. Sweet.
You like Giannis Antetokounmpo?
Huh?
You like Giannis Antetokounmpo? NBA?
I look like him.
Yeah.
I don't know who that is, but thank you. Where's the tzatziki?
Tzatziki?
Yeah.
Just a moment.
Oh, shit. Obviously, man, I have to cook this.
Fresh orange.
Yeah, it's like orange, lemon, and carrots. It's so dank. Yeah. I got bread. See, when I'm hungover like this here, like food does not appeal to me, so I don't even know what I want. Oh, it might have to be a cereal thing. What's this? Oh shit! Look at that. Okay, Cheerios. Yeah, it might have to be a Cheerios thing, you know. €3.10. Oh, sounds about right. Sorry, do you live here?
Yes.
Which milk? What milk do I get? Which one?
I like this one.
That one. Thank you. Alright, it's a milk tank. There we go. Thank you.
Εντάξει, ξέχασες το τέτοιο από όξο βάλε, έτσι παράθυμες το βάλουμε μέσα.
Έμεινα ούτε βράδυ έξω.
Όχι, φυσικά το βάλα εγώ το βράδυ, αλλά έγινε ολόκληρη διαδικασία.
Και ήθελα, εγώ πριν κλείσουμε ήθελα να σου πω. Όταν έβαλα τους κούτες, λέω να το βάλουμε τώρα μέσα.
Alright, what's good? Sweet. So basically, this is what's happening, yeah? I was sat outside, as you just saw, and Bamber comes out with the camera. I'm like, do you like it? He's like, yeah, I might get one. We start talking about the camera. We're like, yo, you've got the drone. I've got this camera. Let's make a fucking movie. Well, you look at that, Shan. So you know I need the sex. Don't I make it work? She said no, I mean I gotta make it work. None of this is from over. Bust it here when baby gets to bust it. Party on nothing and it's supposed. So much blood plug in my food. Smoke it up, throw up the shot. Jungle with a couple like me and feel like we be confused. That bitch is come back from you when it comes strong. Crawdon. You on that? Look at this, bro. Jeez. Water's glistening though, real talk. Come on, see water glistening. Alright, Bam, I'm gonna leave the water there and just go for a little expedition type thing. Stop trying to be God. Running shit my whole life. That's a night. Better. Listen, what do I do about that? What do I do? Do I pick it up? How are they gonna be littering? In that great commandments. And then we have to swim all the way back. You crazy heat, bruv. That's a cliff jumping. Obviously just setting up the GoPro. Not the GoPro, sorry, just setting up the what's it called again? The drone, that's it, the drone. Fucking hell. Yeah, man.
Shawty keep on calling me. Said she wanna give it all for me. She just wanna get involved with me. Said she wanna take it all from me. Shawty keep on calling me. Know she wanna smoke all the tree. She just wanna get involved with me. Shawty keep on calling, just calling.
I've been in my A, smoking paper, playing several different strains of that Mary Jane. Got me flowing like parade, she gon' blow me like grenade. Then I serenaded to a little Marvin Gaye. Yeah, I brought the Chardonnay. Shorty party made, but you a little way too good to dance alone. Come a little closer, let me get you in your song. And maybe after that I'll put my number in your phone. And as soon as you get home, you calling me.
Said she wanna give it all for me. She just wanna get involved with me. Said she wanna take it all from me. Shawty keep on calling me. Know she wanna smoke all the tree. She just wanna get involved with me. Shawty keep on calling, just calling.
Yeah, you know I'm always on jail. Numero uno, I'm primo. They do got something they beat on. Try to deal like they can beat on. Got us so like they Neo. I know one like Neo. I've been the boss since a 3, yo. I've been the boss since a Neo. Shorty, you know that I'm poppin'. I gotta have me some options. Yeah, girl, you know how I roll. Yeah, girl, you know how I'm rockin'. Lot of these shorties be scheming. Yeah, I know they be plotting. They did like Capital One. Ask me what's in my wallet. I know they know that I got it. I'm coming out like a rocket. You know that I've been the flyest since they put me in the cockpit.
Girl, you been blowing my phone up. I think it's time that you stop it. Because you never been silent. You just a bird that keep flocking and calling me. Said she wanna give it all for me. She just wanna get involved with me. Said she wanna take it all from me. Shawty keep on calling me. Know she wanna smoke all the tree. She just wanna get involved with me. Shawty keep on calling, just calling. Just calling. Yeah. Calling. Yeah. Just calling. Calling, calling, calling,